Huh? Huh? Why are the fish jumping around? Huh? Huh?
It's so noisy! I can't stand it anymore! Would you be quiet? Be quiet!
That's weird. What happened to them? Huh?
Kiki, something's wrong. Let's go.
Okay. Hey!
Wow.
Hey! Kaka! Everyone's acting weird today. What's happening?
I found that people have been doing strange things. Furthermore, the groundwater levels and the Earth's magnetic field are changing.
Does it mean that an earthquake is coming?
It's hard to predict an earthquake. I will keep my eyes on anything that's related to this situation. Another thing is that a carrier pigeon has disappeared this morning, and it might be related to the magnetic field. So you need to find him as soon as possible.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Oh no, I'm lost. Which way should I go? Oh.
Kiki, we've been searching everywhere, but we still haven't seen him yet.
Maybe we're flying too high. Let's get a little closer to the ground.
I see him! Over there!
Huh?
It's Super Rescue Team! Thank goodness!
Carrier pigeon, here you are! Huh? Are you hurt?
Yes, and it hurts a lot. Please help!
Don't worry. Mew Mew will take a look for you.
All right! Start analyzing! Scanning! Here's the result. His wing has been scratched by a branch.
Ah, but I have to deliver the package.
Don't worry, I'll help you. Start shrinking. Start scanning and get ready. Whoa! The wind is so strong, I can't aim properly. Aha! I know what to do. Light wave!
Huh? Yay, I can move my wing! Wow, I can fly again!
Wow. Huh?
Thank you so much!
The Earth's magnetic field is interfering with your sense of direction. We can take you to the next spot.
Thank you for leading the way, but do you know exactly what has happened to me?
Let's figure it out. Connect to satellite. CSES is an advanced satellite monitoring the Earth's magnetic field all day from very far in space. It increases the ways we detect earthquakes. Normal magnetic fields should look like this, but it looks differently today. That's why you lose direction.
Now I see. Sunshine Farm. Right, we're here. To Baby Frog in the well next to the cornfield.
Oh, over there!
Help us!
Help us! Help
Help
us!
us!
Help! Please help us!
Oh no, the frogs are in danger! Let's help them! Super hook!
Look, someone's coming to us.
Daddy, is it Super Rescue Team?
Hi, I'm Captain Kiki from Super Rescue Team.
Rescue Team! It's Rescue Team! Hi, I'm Baby Frog!
Hi, Baby Frog! Huh? What's happening? The water is so hot! What? Do you know how this happened?
This has been our home for a long time. It was perfect. But today, the water became hot and started to rise. Oh no! It's rising again!
Oh, please help us! Don't worry, the rescue team will get you out of here. Kaka, we have another problem! We need Pilot Momo's help!
Copy that. Pilot Momo, Kiki needs your help. Please move out now.
Gotcha! Here comes the flying Momo!
Here I am! Momo, send the rescue basket down here! Momo, pull it up!
Roger that!
My home.
We didn't bring any food. Oh.
And what about my toys?
Toys we'll have again. Food and a house.
We can get them again.
You're right! And you'll have even more friends, just like the Super Rescue Team!
Mommy, the bubbles keep following us!
Oh no! The water's rising too fast!
What should we do? Can we get out of here?
I have an idea! Momo, fly a little higher! The water's coming fast!
Okay!
Super speed! That was close!
Daddy, are we moving?
Yes, the well is not safe now.
The water rises out of a dry well. It might be the sign of an earthquake. But there might be other reasons, such as weather change or something else. When there's a sign of an earthquake, can we predict when it will happen? Oh, not exactly. We can predict the weather by analyzing cloud images from the satellite. But earthquakes come from deep within the earth. Technology nowadays hasn't found a way to predict an earthquake yet. What should we do then?
Don't worry, Super Rescue Team will always be ready to keep you safe.
Oh, and we should learn all about earthquake safety to avoid getting hurt. Such as putting heavy furniture and appliances on the bottom and lighter ones above. And always remember to keep hallways and entrances clear. All right.
Well, well, this is our new home. Oh, I almost forgot. Your package.
Look, I got a globe. I hope I can solve any problem, just like Super Rescue Team. Wow! Super Rescue Team, keeping you safe!